This conference will now be recorded.
This should be fine now. But
All good here.
all good. Okay. Hi, this is first investor relation meeting for 2024. We'll be presenting the financial results for 2023. Key of the 2023 results are presented here. I just wanted to highlight the fact that in 2023, there was a change in the accounting standard where we transitioned from IFRS 4 to IFRS 17, which resulted in major changes in the way the presentation of the financial statements and the calculations of the numbers. Details of it are available in the financial statement of the company. So in terms of key, if you look at reinsurance revenue went up by 29%. So reinsurance revenue for 2023 is Omani Riyal 42.1 million compared to last year of 32.5 million. The other watch closely is net profit after tax. It went up by 20% in 2023. The actual net profit after tax for 2023 was 2.5 million compared to last year of 2.1 million. Combined ratio, if we remove the impact of the discount, went down by 8.9 percentage points. So the combined ratio excluding discount impact for 2023 is 88.6% compared to last year of 97.5%. And return on equity improved by 0.9 percentage points. The actual return on equity for 2023 is 8.4% compared to last year, 7.5%. This is a breakdown ratio. If you can see, there's a major improvement in the loss ratio in 2023, dropped to 53.7% compared to last year, 61.1%. Cost ratio remained fundamentally the same, so there's no major change there. Risk adjustment ratio also dropped from 3.2% to 1.4%. And then we have a negative impact coming from the discount of 2.7 percentage point. Compared to last year, there was a positive impact because of the change in the discount rate from 2021 to 2022. It resulted in 6.4% positive in 2022 compared to 2.7% as an expense in 2023. Collectively, if we see the combined ratio is 91.3% in 2023 compared to 91.1% in 2022. Of investment income, the realized return for 2023 is 4.5% compared to last year 4.1%. We have seen the impact of the increase in the discount interest rates is starting to come on the PNL. That's why we have seen a higher realized return. The total return for 2023 was 6.6%, mainly driven by a stable interest rate scenario and also improvement in the equity market. Whereas in 2022, the total return was 0.8%, mainly driven by the negative fair value movement in 2022 in both in equity and the bond portfolio. Overall assets grew by 13% to reach at 64.4 million compared to last year 57 million. In terms of net equity, we have reached at 32.2 million. The total equity increased by 13.7% compared to last year 28.3 million. Book value per share of the company has been consistently growing. So we see in 2023, we are at around 97.4 BESA per share. This is the detailed profit and loss of the company. As we can see, I've highlighted reinsurance revenue. There's an improvement coming in from there. Reinsurance service results were much better in 2023 compared to 2022. We have seen a negative impact coming from reinsurance finance income and expense, resulting in a net reinsurance result of 2.7 million, whereas last year it was 2.2 million. Investment income went up by 20%, reached to 2.7 million compared to last year of 2.2 million. General and admin expenses, we have seen there is no major change, remain fairly static. And in terms of forex loss, we've seen higher forex loss compared to last year. It is 764,000 compared to last year 662,000, mainly driven by the depreciation in the emerging market currencies. Or profit after tax is 2.5 million compared to last year 2.1 million. In terms of total results, if you look at the financial position, we've seen improvement coming in the cash and bank and investment. So although there were few large net cat events during 2023, and there was a massive outflow coming from in terms of cash flow, but even considering that the company generated a positive cash flow, and the cash and bank and investments went up by roughly in total around 7 million. In terms of equity, we've seen the improvement from 28.3 to 32.2. That's around 3.8 million, 14%, partially driven by the net profit after tax, and the other part is driven by the fair value movement in the bonds and also the equity portfolio. So the results of the company, considering we had a few large nat cat events during the year, it was very positive results, and the growth trajectory of the company is on track, and we have been consistently improving the top line as well as the bottom line of the company. That's all from my side. Romal, if you want to add something before we close.
Thank you very much, Muzamil.
Thank you. Okay, and this concludes our investor relations session. If there are any questions, please feel free to contact on the email ID provided on the company's website. Thank you.
Thank you.